Yeah, look, the dogs, they secrete a lot of oil from their skin, so the oil gets imparted onto the carpet fibre, and oil attracts dirt faster than the rest of the carpet.
Yeah.
So at night when it cools down, dust settles, and it adheres to the oily sections faster. Well, not at the same rate, but what actually happens is when you go to vacuum, the part that's got a bit of the oil in it won't release the soiling or the dust.
Yeah.
Whereas the part that doesn't have any oil releases it with normal vacuuming.
Yeah.
So